Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I decided to show you guys how to do a quick DIY reflector. This is a cake pan that you see on my lap, and it already has a gold foil paper glued to it, but I don't like that gold and I decided to change it up, and that's why you see me using a silver foil paper. So I'm just going to glue this at the back using a paper tape, and I already cut this foil paper into the shape that I want using the scissors, and I'm just going to flip this over and start taping it down. And after this, that's pretty much it. It's so easy. You can totally do this in like 2-3 minutes. Super easy. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. What it does is, I don't know if you guys can see what's my phone doing. It reflects, like it bounces light on my face, and it repels any shadow.